show you how work my new snowblower, electrical. So we need to put the battery inside. How this works, I put the battery. Now we hear the clock. Same this one. Now take it out. You have to pull it to the side and take it out. Show the other one. Press on it to the side and it just pops out. There you go. Now let's see it working. Now look at how this works. We put this lid here. Right. Until clock. It's supposed to be clock.
Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video. You're probably thinking about what do I think of this ego thing and should you get this for yourself. First of all, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, and before we proceed any further, and plus subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, check out my other videos as well. But pretty much what I like about this is how simple it is. You just press on this, you can see right now it is green, and this means that this is the power is on for it. It is easy for you to use. It is lightweight. It is a little bit expensive on the side, but the good thing is it is environmentally friendly. No need for you to keep getting gas, no need for maintenance fees. So every single year your friends have their thing break down, yours is still working. And the best thing about this is that with the charger, it has the power. It actually shows on it a percent of how much it is full, from 100 all the way to 25%, and you can check the battery status as well. And not only that, this thing can run all by itself with just one battery. You don't need two of them, but two of them is going to give it almost as much power as a conventional motor. So with the Ego, this is the most powerful one you can potentially get for the cheapest price when it comes to the electrical models. So the process of this, environmentally friendly, makes nearly no sound, no pollution, no carbon monoxide poisoning. It is lightweight, easy for you to store and take this with you, no maintenance fees, and environmentally friendly. So what is really the downside of it? One, it's not as powerful if you get, let's say, 7 or even higher amount of snow. Like when you get a lot of snow, the more snow you get, the less effective this thing actually is. Now, the real way of you to do this is not to wait until you get 12 inches of snow. If you get like 6 inches or like 5, go ahead and finish the driveway. Then you get more snow, you come in and do it once again, so you really don't need to wait until it gets like super high. The other downside of this is, well, pretty much you have to have the batteries. Do not store it outside because the cold is the biggest enemy of those batteries. Store the batteries indoors. Another thing is when you charge them, it makes this a little bit of wicked smell. To avoid the smell, just charge it on the outside. That's what I do in the hallway. So that's really the only real downside of this. There is no really other downside, and the last downside is if you get a defective unit. To prevent getting a defective unit, pretty much just go ahead, get it on Amazon, and press over there where you can buy the extended warranty. If it breaks, they will give you a new one. Pretty much as simple as that. So my rating for this one is almost a 10, perfect 10 stars for it. Because I think this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Actually, better than sliced bread because you use this all the time, especially if you live in the Northeast. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something new today. Make sure you become a subscriber to this channel. I can't wait to make any more videos as well. And hopefully I sold you on this one snowball, whatever you call it. See you on the next video of the Geek Tech Show. And now it is time for me to get started with doing some weightlifting. That's another good thing for this. It actually doubles up as a weightlifting weight.